In this guide, we are going over a full beginner guide to Bizarre Lineage here in Roblox so that you could start progressing extremely fast. Before we do get into this beginner guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, you have some basic controls like W, A, S, and D, and then of course you have M1 and M2 for light and heavy attacks. T or tab is going to summon your stand. E, R, X, Z, C, D are going to be your stand abilities. H is your stand ultimate. F is going to be block. G is an evasive move. Q is dash, and of course left control is going to be slide. If you're trying to mount somewhere, you just got to run up to it and then hit B and you'll mount up it. 1 through 9 are going to be your items, and P is going to be pose. As you can see, we could change our poses just like that. Now, in terms of leveling up, you gain levels by defeating enemies, completing quests, doing raids, and participating in events. Every level is going to give you stat points that you can invest into strength, physical damage, health, power, weapon, and of course destructive power and destructive energy. But your character build is based on 3 things: your stand, which is your main power; your fighting style, which is melee abilities like boxing or karate; your sub ability, which is stuff like Hammond, Cyborg, or Vampire. And that's essentially it. Now, you can prestige up to 3 times in the hospital area by talking to the Prestige Archmage near bus stop 10. However, you're going to need to be level 50 and have 10,000 cash before doing so. Now, each prestige is going to give you 5 prestige points and an extra stand slot. But to unlock your stand ultimate ability, you're going to have level 50 and stand conjuration of 100. And then just go to the gym near bus stop 2, which I'm just so happen to be already at. Defeat Jotaro, Dio, and Abdul, and participate in 50 world events. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.